In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photo to texts in Canva. This effect places a photo inside your letters, and it's a great way to make headlines, logos, or social posts look polished without advanced editing. Start by opening the project you want to work on so you can see your design on the canvas. On the left-hand side, click Apps. In the search bar that appears, type font frame, then select it. This opens a simple panel made for turning your text into a photo-filled graphic. You'll see a field where you can enter your text. Click inside that field and type the word or short phrase you want to use. For best results, keep it concise. The fewer letters you have, the more room your image has to shine within each character, which helps readability, especially if your photo has lots of detail or texture. Just below the text field, you can change the font by clicking the font selector. Choose a bold, thick font so the image shows through clearly. Styles with strong, wide letter forms usually display a photo more effectively than thin or highly decorative fonts, because you get more visual area inside each letter. Next, add your image. Click Choose File, then select the photo from your device that you want to feature. High-resolution images look cleaner, and images with a clear focal point, like a face, product, or distinct scene, tend to read best inside text. After the upload finishes, you'll see a live preview of your image mapped into the letters. To refine the look, click and drag directly on the preview to reposition the photo within the text. Slide it left, right, up, or down until the most important part of your image sits comfortably within the letter shapes. Take a moment to check that key details aren't getting cut off by letter edges, and that the overall balance makes the word easy to read while still showcasing the image. When you're happy with the preview, click Add to Design. Your photo-filled text will drop into your project, ready to use as a standout element in your layout. If you'd like to explore variations, simply repeat this same process with different words, fonts, or photos to compare what works best for your design. And that's it. By opening your project, going to Apps, selecting Font Frame, entering your text, choosing a font, picking your image, dragging to adjust the preview, and clicking Add to Design, you can create professional photo-in-text effects in just a few minutes.